RD's unboxing.
Money, power, respect. Money, and power, respect. I earned it. Money, power, respect.
What up? So D back with another one. And today I'm gonna share with y'all my Can-Am Spyder F3S. Wanted to do this at night so I could show off the lights better. But I'm gonna do another video soon to show off more stuff when they come in. But I just want to show you real quick the accessories that I put in. Most of the stuff came from Sling Mods and some BRP and then some Amazon. So let me show y'all what the lights look like. You know what I mean? Turn it on real quick. That dash is pretty, real sexy right there. Let me show you what the lights look like. So I got the indicators in the fender. We got the back position, middle position, front. The front ones are really not feeling it too well. I'm hoping that I can find something to replace that, make it a little brighter. I want more of a beam coming out of that. Then I changed up the headlights and I put some fog lights in there and fog light covers with the indicators. So everything flash and let you know I'm trying to change lanes. You know what I mean? Because that's one of the big things right there. Then I got the air vent indicators. So people on the side of you can see you trying to come through and change lanes. In the back right here, I got these tail lights, but one of them came messed up, so I'm waiting for Sling Mods to send me a new one. So see how that go. Now up here, I got the RAM mount for the handlebars. I got my 360 camera, and I got a wireless phone charger. This wireless phone charger is dope. Got this from Amazon. Has a USB-C routing out, supplying power to the camera, keeping that on. I got some foam grips right here, and I got some counterweights here for the vibration. This thing vibrates, man. I'm telling you, this thing vibrates crazy. So with all that stuff I've been putting on it, my hands been feeling a little better. I ain't gonna front. One time my hands been a little numb, man. But that's because I was gunning it. I ain't gonna lie. I was gunning it. I bought the windscreen, the windshield. Honestly, if you get something better, but it makes the bike look cool. You know what I mean? Like, I want to get the shag bags, but I'm afraid that the bike is gonna look crazy with them things on, man. But I might just get them anyway because I need the storage space, man. I need the storage space. The bike comes with a little piece here that you could change out the second seat and put like a little storage thing, but it's trash because we only can put like little tools in there. It's not that much space. It's trash for me. It's trash for me. I changed out the battery because I don't know, man. Like, I'm about to make another video on the first things to do, my opinion, when you get these bikes, because yeah, that battery, it kept giving me a fault code and an engine check light, and I took it back to the dealership. Yeah, shout out to Dixon Power Sports, you know what I mean, looking out for the kid. But yeah, I took it to the dealership. They plugged the computer and they said that the battery wasn't supplying enough power when I start the bike to the ignition, so it would give me that light, but I would still be able to ride. And basically, me, with my background, I figured it's the battery not giving enough cold crank amps. So I just like switch it out. You know what I mean? That's why mad people got batteries for sale, because they know the batteries that come with these bikes are trash. So that's one of the first things I would recommend. But like I said, I'm gonna make a video on that with my experience. So I switched the battery out, got that windshield. I did all that. And, oh yeah, the fog lights. So I got 2 things of fog lights. Let me turn the bike on real quick. Because the fog lights, well, these fog lights can come on because they connect straight to the battery. So I got these fog lights right here. These things are super bright. Light up the world. And this is what they look like when they're off. They're right there in the corner. Little small joints. Same ones I probably had on the, I got some bigger ones on the Riker. The wheel space there is smaller than the Riker, so you really can't even put the big ones there. But they're extra bright. People can see me when I'm coming. You know what I mean? So, you know, if you claim that you couldn't see me, man, you dead ass lying. You know what I mean? But let me start the bike up real quick. Show you what it do. So that's my light pattern on high beams. This is my high beams. It's my lows. It's my highs. It's my lows. You notice the pattern right there is like, it's kind of weird looking. I mean, that's how they are. But yeah, that's my highs. That's my lows. It seemed like the high beams were still not high enough, in my opinion. And honestly, I probably would have just left the stock headlights in and just changed them to LED. But I bought this whole housing, you know what I mean, because I wanted those indicators. So I wanted the whole bike with indicators in the front so everybody can see me and know which way I'm trying to switch, you know. I'm planning to get something for the bottom soon, but let me show you these lights on with everything on. So I got these fog lights too, which don't do much. Like, you can see the pattern. Honestly, I feel like they're trash, but I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Spend the money for it, put them in, light up the world, you know what I mean, so people can see you. That's the bottom line, you know. Especially when you're riding at night and you hitting them numbers, you want to make sure people can see you. The button I got from Amazon, the fog lights I got from Amazon, and that's for this switch right here. I like how it turns blue. I wanted a blue switch. This one came with the Sling Mods kit. Like I said, I'll skip on it if I had a different opportunity, if I do it again. And yeah, this is her. I ain't name her yet. Still got the stock exhaust. I want to change that out. But yeah, I like how she sounds. She's nice and loud, you know. So I've been running some miles. Don't mind my clock. You know what I mean? I pulled the battery out, so the clock is all over the place. I haven't fixed it yet, but my mileage is right. So soon it's gonna be needing a service, because she's my daily driver. She's with me every day. I gotta find a name for her though. I'm really thinking about it. Well, I'm gonna name her. Got my little Goku stick over here. Want everybody know. You know what I mean? When I come through, I'm coming through with power. You know what I mean? That's about it though. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, holla at your boy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll holla at you later, man. Easy.